Hi all of you. Today we are going to discuss a grade 9 third term paper. So for our upcoming exams. So this is a subject conferential department paper. Okay, it will go. Write 234.63 in scientific notation. Scientific notation mean we know we have to keep the decimal point after a full number. So here this is not like that, so we have to arrange, we have to move this decimal point into 1 2 two placements to the front. So because of that, here we are going to write 2.34 into 10 to the power 10 to the power, we change the position into 2, we change 2 places. So here it's plus 2, it's plus 2. Okay, not no need to put 2 here, no need to write plus 2 because normally we are using plus numbers. So this is the thing. Okay, if the decimal point is moving to this side, we have to put plus here. If the decimal point is moving to this side, we have to put minus. For example, 0.23. How can we write this one? 0.23 means we have to move the decimal point to this side. So 1. So what is the answer? Should be 2.3. Okay, 2.3 into 10 to the power this side. So minus how many places it moves? So just only 1. So minus 1. Second one, how many hours in 205 of 15 hours? Here you just change as a fraction here, so we can add 1. So now here you see we can cut down these two, we can simplify 5 1 times, here 15 it's 3 times. So at final answer 3 into 2 6 hours. You should mention that one. Okay, and the next one, find the profit percentage of an article from which Rs45 is gained as profit by selling that article of cost price 300. Okay, the normally you see for 300 the profit is 45. For 300 profit is 45. Always you see percentage mean 400, for percentage mean 400. So here we have to calculate 400. So what is the change here? The changing pattern is we are dividing by 3. We are dividing 300 by 3 mean we can get 400. So here also we are going to divide. So 45 is divided by 3. So 45 is divided by 3. So when we are dividing this one, we can easily simplify. So 4 mean 1 times. So 1 is remaining now, so 15. So how many times? 5 times. So that is 5 times. So here 3 1 time. So the final answer is 15 percentage. 15. We have to mention the symbol. Okay, 15 percentage. Find the mean mass of a student where the sum of mass of 40 students is 1400 kg. Okay, 1400 kg, that's the total mass of students, and there are 40 students. So the formula for getting the mean is total weight by total numbers in here. Okay, so we can easily cut down a 0 and a 0. Now you see 140 by 4, we can divide the 4 by 2, so 2 times. And here also 140, no, half of 140 is 70. Half of 140 is 70, very easy. So now you see, sorry, 70. Okay, now 70 by 2, so that is 35. That is a very easy question. 35, we have to mention kg. Find the factors of the expressions 49 minus y squared. So when we are doing these type of questions, here this is something different type. Here you see 49, we can't do within the 49. I'm going to change the 49 into 7 squared. 7 squared is equal to 49. So 7 squared minus y squared. 7 squared minus y squared. So we can easily get the answer now. We know already x squared minus y squared is equal to x plus y and x minus y. According to that idea, here one answer is 7 plus y, and I am bracketing that one for easy. The next answer is 7 minus y. 7 minus y. Okay, so this is the final answer. And the next one is show that 34 in the 30th term of a number pattern for which the general term Tn is equal to 3n minus 5. Okay, we have to show the 30th term is 34. So 30th mean we have to use the 13 for instead of n. So 3 into for n we are using 13. For n we are using 13 and minus 5 and minus 5. This one is a very easy equation. So 13 3 times mean that's 39. That's 39. So 39 minus 5, we can easily get the answer. The answer is 34. Answer is 34. Next one, find the values. We have to find out the values. Okay, I'll give some instructions. Always 1 plus 1 is equal to 1 0. Okay, 1 0. So 0 plus 1 is equal to 1, and 0 plus 0 is equal to 0. Okay, this is some types of things we can use here. The next one, now you see we have to arrange like this: 1 0 1 and a 1, and here 1 0 1. Always we have to mention the bases 2, and here also 2, and here also 2. Here also bases are 2. You see 1 and 1, 1 and 1, it should be 0 and 1, no? So 1 and 1, I am putting the 0 here, and I can't put the 1 here, so I am giving the 1 to this one. Same, so I am putting a 0 and I am giving the 1 to the front. Another 1 and 1, so 0, I am going to give the 1 to here. So 1 and 1, and it should be 1 0. So the answer is 1 and 4 zeros. The base should be in 2. Okay, you have to mention the bases, otherwise it's wrong. Find the value of x according to the information given in the figure. Now here you see in the quadrilateral. The quadrilateral mean the angles inside the quadrilateral. Okay, so sum of these angles, there's a theory, sum of these angles, that's equal to 360. So from that one we can easily gain x. So x is equal to, so you see totally we know 360, totally that is 360. So 360 minus 100 and 110, 210 plus 65, 275, all are in degrees. Okay, I'm just mentioning that one. Definitely I have to mention, otherwise they can cut. they have rights to cut marks. So 360 minus 275. Okay, so the answer should be 85. The answer is 85. Sorry my dears. Okay, there are some noises, that's why I said sorry. Okay, so here you see 25, 60, 85, 10, 8. So the next question, that's solve, ninth one, solve. How can we solve this one? You see, this is like a fraction and this is not like fraction. I'm going to change into a fraction like this. Now we can do the cross multiplication. Cross multiplication means this one and this one and this and this one. So x minus 3 is multiplied by 1. When we are multiplying x minus 3 by 1s, okay, we receive the same amount, x minus 3. So x minus 3 is equal to, this one is equal to, okay, 12 into 4. 12 into 4. 12 into 4 is equal to 48. That's equal to 48. Now you see ECD, this is the minus 3. So we have to add plus 3 according to axiom ideas, and here also we have to add plus 3. So we can cut down these, and the x is equal to 51. So the x is equal to 51. That's the final answer. Next, if an aeroplane travels 40 km in 15 minutes at uniform velocity, find the distance traveled in an hour. Okay, in an hour. So 15 minutes. In 15 minutes it travels 40 km. We have to find out for 1 hour. 1 hour means 60 minutes. 1 hour means 60 minutes. Here how many times? How many times mean 4 times. 4 times. So multiplication 4. Here also we have to multiply by 4. So 40 multiplied by 4. 40 multiplied by 4. 4 times. 4 times otherwise. That's equal to 4 into 4 160. 4 into 4 160. So for 160 kilometers. Sorry, 4 into 4 16 and 0, so 160 kilometers. Previously I said 4 into 4 160, that's wrong. Okay, next one, find the arc length of the semicircle of radius 14 centimeter. Okay, they are asking about a semicircle. Semicircle means half. Okay, half of a circle. So you see, when we are moving with the arc length, we need to know the sum. So C is equal to 5r. C is equal to 5r. Now here you see this is a half circle, so half of that one. So half of that is only the 5r. Half of that is 5r. So 5 we know 22 by 7. That's one into, sorry, that one into 14. Okay, now it's clear. We can change the fraction by adding a 1 here. Okay, or just putting 1 here. Now we can simplify 7 and 14. 1 time, 2 times. Now here 1, so 22 into 4, so that's equal to 44. So 44 centimeter. We have to mention the measurements. Okay, so next video I am going to continue from 12. So if you have any doubts, you can send to me on my WhatsApp number. Okay, if you don't need the paper, just send me a message so I can send the paper. So have a nice day for all.